we see about like until functions, we see everything except analytical functions. We saw everything, I thought. So I will let you know by remaining analytical functions about the analytical functions after completion of this views. Okay, so we'll see about the view. So view is a virtual table. So view is a virtual table that does not physically exist. So before discussing about views, so in Telugu we will say Endamavi Bavi. So well and mirage. So mirage in the sense, so just like as a well, that is not like a actual well. So in the actual well, you will get some water. If you require, you can able to drink and all. You can get the water. You can drink it. So in the mirage, you cannot find any water in that. Correct. So but it look like as a well. Correct. So in the similar way, view is also a look like as a table, but it is not like a actual table. So view does not have the capacity to store the data into dictionary. So in the database, entire database, only one database object having the capacity to store the data, that is table. Other than that, we don't have any other object to store the data. Got it? So because we can here we are preparing some mirage, just like as a mirage, we are preparing some mirage for the table. That is called as a view. Why we'll go with the mirage? So to provide the security to the data, we'll create some views. How will you provide the security? So take here. This is base table, employee table we have. If there is a employee table, we have a lot of department, lot of employees here. So for each and every employee, each and every department, all the details will capture and store into the employee table. Correct? In this, for each and every department, their own department, there is a manager for each and every department. Correct? So while providing the data to access employee information, the manager will ask to provide the employee information to check the employee information. So if you want to provide the employee information to your manager, we don't have any option to provide the part of the table data. So your manager, who are the related to the your manager, that employee information need to be displayed to your manager. Other information need to be hide. Got it? So, but you are not able, you cannot able to perform that operation in normal tables. So in that case, if you create some view, so view is a virtual table. That's what I was saying. So what are the columns we have? So what are the columns you are going to provide to any other user? What are the records you are going to provide to access to any other user? That are all you can prepare some select query and create the view for that select query and provide the grant on the virtual table to your user, your manager. Then in the view having like if you run that view, you will get the only your department employee details only. So your manager does not able to see any other department details. Got it? Okay. So in that case, you are going to provide somewhat security. In that case, you are going to we are getting some security, right? Accept. Okay. See here. Data is stored into the base tables because view does not have capacity to store the data. I already explained. So it can be execute when you are called. So you created view with a select query. Simply, there is no complex here. Create view name. So how we are creating the normal database object? Create object type, object name as select star from EM. So this is your, so whatever the query we have select query. So if you want to create any database object, you will use this type of syntax, right? Create object type, object name as select star from EMP. So this object type here is view. So object name is view name. So view name is whatever the name you require for you will create that. So as select star from whatever the query you are going to return, select star from table name where DEPT number equal to 10. Okay. So then you can able to get the data only related to the 10th department details. Got it? So now we will see about the syntax. You got it right. Here you are getting some R replace option. What is the use of this R replace? I will show you practically. So we'll see about what is view now. So view is a virtual table. In this, we have two types of views. Meanwhile, as my system is 1 minute. Start from EMP. This is the table. So this is the table. If you create any table, if it occupies any database space, that will store into the user underscore segments. Allow me 1 minute. Actually, my system got slow. So if select start from user underscore segments. So if it occupy any size in anywhere in the database, all the things will capture and store in this. Okay, see segment underscore name equals to whatever the table name you have mentioned, that is your segment name. So with your object name, you will create some segment, and Oracle will create some segment for you and store in that place. See, the EMP table is created here. Segment type is table. Okay, if it occupies any space in the database, that will capture in this. Okay.
For every database object, Oracle will automatically create a segment.
Yes.
Okay.
If it occupies the space, then only.
Okay.
If it occupies space, then only.
The views will not store in the segment.
No,
yeah.
Because
they are not occupying.
So I said like a view. How will you create the view? So now we have the select query. If you want to create a view, so now the table having like a 14 records with all the departments. Now I want to provide only DEPT number equals to 10th. I want my manager is related to the 10th department. DEPT number equal to 10. So if I want to provide the grant to the any particular user, grant select on EMP2. So what we have user like a sys is the user with. So you can able to provide the grant like this. But if you want to provide a table, you have like an entire the table. If you want to provide only 3 rows, you cannot able to provide the grant like that. Okay, for that reason, what I like said like create the select query. What are the data you are going to provide to any other user, that you can filter out the first. On top of this select query, create view simply like a create view underscore sample. So I'm creating the view. So now see, if you create any database objects, that will be stored in a, if it is a table, it will store into the user underscore table. If it is a view, that will store into the user underscore views. Okay, if it is a in another place, user underscore objects also, user underscore meta object also will capture the information. Got it? So user underscore views. View name equals to
View sample.
sample. So you are not getting the data because you provided the information in the small letter. Keep in mind while working with data must and should be case sensitive. So see, simply you created the view. So it store the view name and how much text you have mentioned in that and what are the columns we have in this. What are the columns we have in this? The select query is saved in this user underscore views. Okay. So the select query is stored in a database. Okay. See, this is like a stored in a user underscore views. We'll see about a user underscore objects. So in objects, everything will table name, view name, index name, like won't like it treat like as everything as an object. So we can call it as a object here. So object type is view underscore sample. So it is saying sub object name everything. If you have anything, it will show everything. So you need to remember only. So in user underscore objects, object name, object type, object ID, and when it got created, you will get the created command. So when it last DDL is happened, last DDL in the sense when you created the table, when you alter the table, when you did any DDL commands, if you applied any DDL commands on the particular object, that will capture this and store in this place. Timestamp. You will last DDL time. Okay, timestamp. So this will help you to the when it got updated exact capture only date. This capture the timestamp, including the timestamp. Okay, it is in the valid or invalid. These are all those things we can able to remember here. Okay, so view underscore stable. So just few minutes back we see about if it is that occupies any space in the database, it will store into the
User underscore segment.
Now we'll see. So I'm going to check for the employee table and as well as a view underscore something. So view underscore sample look like as a table only. See here. So you are able to retrieve the data using this. This is like look like a table only. But if it is a table that need to be maintained in the segment, right? So you are not having any segment for this in the sense it is a maybe it is a view. Okay. So now you will see what are the views we have. How many types of views we have. You got it about like view. What is view now?
You say mirrors.
Mirrors, just mirrors of the table, just like you cannot call it a mirrors, but you can understand the thing like it will work like as a mirrors. So view is a virtual table. It won't, it cannot have the capacity. View does not have the capacity to store the information because view is not a actual table. Okay, so what will happen? So if you insert the data, so okay, how many types of views we have? How many types of views we have? So simple view in the sense, if you create the view, based on one table, that is called as a simple view. So if you are dealing with only one man, it is a simple man. If you are dealing with the group of men, that will call as a complex or a group. Okay, in the similar way, we have two types of views, simple view and a complex view. Okay, so what the view is created by now, that is called a simple view. That is called a simple view. This is called a simple view. Suppose if you want to add like a employee details with the, so if I want to add employee details with the DEPT name, department name also. Okay, what will select star from EMP? This is the employee table. So another thing is select star from DEPTs. So we'll complete two topics today, giants and the views both. Okay, this is the DEPT table. So in this DEPT table, so we have the location and the department name. So while so I want to know for each and every employee is related to which location that I need for that. For that reason, how will you retrieve? So EMPE, comma DEPT D where D data DEPT number equal to D data D same. So if you want to retrieve the data from more than one column, we need to maintain the condition like this. We need to maintain the condition like this. This is called actually join condition. Okay, I will let you know about this in joins concept in after the completion of this. Okay, see here we have like a two tables. You are retrieving the data based on two tables. Now, if I want to create view for this, create view underscore complex as. Now I'm going to create the view. It is showing duplicate name is founded here. So if we have any common column in between these two tables, that get duplicate, right? So see here, DEPT number is having in the employee table and DEPT number is having in the department table as well. So for that reason, while retrieving the data, you can able to see the data. But if you want to maintain that just like as a table or view, you cannot able to. Yeah, now in that case, how will you manage? So in that case, how will you manage? You can take the only one here. So if you want to create now what I am mentioning here, some alias name here I am mentioning. So this is called alias name. Instead of a total name of the table, just I created some alias name for my table. So if it is a small case, we don't need. If it is any like 30-40 characters of table name, in that case, mention the table for alias. Then use that alias name in all the places. That will help you to reduce the code. Okay, now I'm creating the view only for the employee table data, but I'm joining it, but I'm not using the department information anywhere here.
Okay.
See, just I put the join from the two tables, but I'm retrieving the data from only one table here. Okay, now I created the view. Now let's see. So we created the simple view and the complex view both. So in the simple view also you are getting only employee table data only. So we'll create the two sessions and we'll observe the things. So we created the two views here. Now I'm going to update the information here. Now I'm going to insert or update. I'm doing insert into view underscore. So I don't have that much patience. So simply I can take the some insert statement of the existing records and we will do the thing. So if you want to take the output to insert statements, if you want to prepare for this this result set as insert statement, simply export, go and export the result as a, so simply select the output, do the export with the insert and provide the table name. What are the table name you are going to provide? So if you want to store into file, you will use the single file or multiple file for each and every record. If you want to provide into separate files, in the sense, use the separate. If you want to insert all the results in the single file, you will use the single file. Else, if you no need, if you can able to store the data into clipboard, that is just work like as a like Control C, Control V. Okay. So now I selected the clipboard. Now I am going to see the 3 insert statement has been created here. Now I am going to update like manager, all those things. I am going to update only 2 records. Sorry, only 1 record here. Same. Now I am going to 1 row is inserted. So, and I am going to insert here. I inserted only 10th department information. Now I am going to insert 20th information. So what will happen if you insert the data? It is also getting added. See, what are the data? We inserted 2 records, but you are getting only 1 here because the view you are trying to retrieve the data from the base table only department 10th department information, but you can able to insert other than the 10th department also.
Okay.
But it does not show.
That won't work for you, but you cannot able, if you insert the data, that won't help you. No use. Okay, now we are doing the same thing in a complex view. Sorry. Roll back. See, we created the view like in 2 table, right? So see, the data is affected or not in the base table. We inserted in the view. The data is affected in a base table. Earlier we have only 14 rows, right? Now we have 16 rows. See, 7781, 7711 is the 2 records we inserted now. The 2 records is came and stored into the base table, employee table. Got it? So in the similar way. So what I am doing here, I am going to update or insert. I am doing the insert here. It is showing cannot modify a column which maps to non-key reserved table. So this is called a complex view. So while working with the complex view, you cannot able to insert or update or delete the data into the complex because so if the data is related to which table column this is, now you are inserting this all columns. You haven't mentioned anything in the complex view. So if I get the data, that data need to be inserted into this particular table in this column. We need to mention all those things in that. Then only it allows to store the data. You don't have you haven't mentioned anything about like a detailed information. If you get this column information, need to be stored the EMP table. So if you get the data, you need to store into the DEPT table. You haven't mentioned anything like that here. Okay, the system does not have capacity to understand the system itself. For that reason, we have another option like triggers. No need to know about this. Just need to know what is the use of how can the system. Interview may ask like how will you update the complex views? If you want to update, how will you update the complex? Okay, in that case, you cannot able to directly update or insert complex views, but we can apply using triggers. Okay. Using triggers. What is the trigger? Instead of view trigger. Instead of view trigger. Instead of view trigger, using that in this table. If I get this column, so try to insert this into EMP table. Try to insert into DEPT table. Like we will provide the detailed information into the triggers.
About the table.
About the table, about the complex view.
Yeah, about the
About the complex view, we can mention all the objects we have in the that select query. We can mention all. If we get this value, try to insert in this, insert update in this. Like that, we will mention all those things in the instead of you trigger.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay, got it.
Okay. So if you are not able to perform the select query, so insert query, in the sense you cannot able to perform any DML operation in the complex view. Okay, no need to check all those things. Got it? So you can check with the update and the delete queries. Okay. Now we see about the two views.
Views, complex view.
Complex view and the simple view. Okay. Yeah, something you are saying.
Using instead of view trigger, we can update, we can insert, we can delete the
Anything you can able.
anything from on the complex view.
Okay, in complex view, it is used to define a view on multiple tables. That view called as a complex. Okay, here I mentioned the syntax. Simple, create view, view name as select star from emp, dpt and the select query. Well, this is the query we written there. Okay, if you want to, if we create any view using more than one table, that is called as a complex view. We cannot perform DML operation on this. So you will see this error. I provided all the screenshots also for your reference. Okay, we have other views also. While discussing with the other views, we will see about what is use of the R replace option. So I am going to create the view again here. So what it is saying, name is already used by an existing object. So if you are creating the EMP table first time, it will create. So if you are trying to recreate the same table name again, you are trying to reuse the same name, it will show the name is already used by an existing object, correct? So then in that case, you will do like a drop the table name and a create table name. You will do in that way before name. So no need to drop and create here. Simply if you mention like a create or replace. So this will help you to recreate. It will drop the object first, while creating that. First it drop the object and recreates.
Yeah,
okay. So this will help you. This will help you to get the object recreation. Drop the view, not the table.
Okay.
It drop the original object and recreates. And recreates. Got it? So this is optional. This is optional. When you are creating the first time, no need to mention about the R replace. If you are creating the second time, then you need to use this. Got it? So what is the use of here in the view? We can able to store any complexity of queries in the database. And we can provide some security to the data. We can provide some security to the data and we can able to store any complexity of select queries in the database. Understand? Any doubt?
We can store any
complexity of select queries
in database.
In the database. See, I written the select query here.
And we can provide security.
Got it?
Got it.
How will you provide the security in the sense in the take the employee information and explain to the interviewer or anything, any user if you ask. Okay, now we'll see about what we have other join. So if you interview or ask her, you need to tell about these two only. No need to say any other things. Now we'll see about other views. So we have a other view like a read only view. Read only view in the sense you cannot, if you want to provide the only select access. So now I created the normal view and provided to the your manager as a grant. So he inserted the data, he updated the data. He have the access. But if I provide the access, if I create the normal as a normal view instead of normal view, if I create the like a read only view. So simply in the same view, I am going to create a read only. So for understanding purpose, I am saying read. What it is saying? Create. Once again, syntax need to be check with read only. Okay.
Okay.
Here at the end of the select query, simply you need to mention like a with read only. Okay. Now you created the view here. So if I want to create again, it is showing name is already existing object. Now what objects we created and inserted, right? We prepared some insert query. See, I am going to use this insert query again here. Sample underscore read. So I am trying to insert the data into this again. So cannot perform DML operation on a read only view.
Yes.
Got it? This is the use of the read only view. What we have other views, force view. So was like a creates a select star from EMP. Okay. Now I'm creating EMP underscore Shiva is the table. I'm trying to retrieve the data in this using this. It is showing tabular view does not exist. Okay. Now here while discussing about this force view, I can say some example like if everyone takes some place and trying to build the house. Okay, you people while building the plan for your house, you people mention like this is car parking place, this is bike parking, this is balcony, all those things. You do the similar thing, right? So you don't have, while constructing your house, you don't have the car and all those things. You have the bike, but you build the house for entire the facilities, with the entire facilities, with all the facilities, you build the house. So in that case, so the car parking place used by the any other persons.
Okay.
Okay. So, but it look like as a, you mentioned like you are treating like as a, that is a car parking place,
Yes.
but we are using some other purpose for that.
Okay.
So when that will, you won't call it like as a, if you put the car, then only we can mention that like as a car parking place. This is my car parking place. Until if you don't buy the car, if you, whenever you are buy the car, then that place, empty place will become as a car parking place.
Yeah.
Correct? In the similar way. In the similar way. While constructing your house, that means while creating the view, you don't have the base table. Okay. When you purchase your car, that become a car parking place. In this case, see, while creating the view, you don't have a create, replace force view. So V1 as select star from EMP underscore C. What it is saying?
Missing cable.
Missing key.
What happened? Let's see for the syntax.
Replace in the
Means
Okay. So view is created with the compilation error. So view is created. See, if the view is created, we'll see in user underscore objects, correct?
yes.
Select star from
User
underscore views where
view name.
I'm always writing these queries because you people will remember this work. If I said like this many times, at least you can able to remember at least one time in your interview time or while working with you, you will remember all those things. Okay, see, it is showing is in user underscore objects. It is not showing anything about it is a valid or a invalid. So you created the view like a view select star from EMP underscore Shiva. It a view is created.
But
Finally,
table doesn't exist.
actual table is not in your place, but I am going to show you in user underscore objects. The view will store into the user underscore objects and the user underscore table. Okay, see the status is in a invalid.
Invalid.
So when it become the valid, if you create the table original object, create table emp underscore Shiva as select star from emp. Now the table is created. Okay, table is created. Can you see now like a object is getting valid or invalid?
Invalid.
Actual object is created by you. You purchase your car, but you haven't put that car into the parking place. If you put the car into that parking place, then that will be car parking place. So that means now I am going to put that into car parking place. My car I am going to park in a car parking place. Now if you call the select star from V1, now you are getting the data. Now see,
Okay.
so now you observe that
Valid.
value. Got it?
Got it.
Any doubt?
No.
We have other view like a materialized view. So materialized view, if you people practice this, I will explain the materialized view concepts separately.
Okay.
Okay, we don't have option to discuss about all the materialized view mechanisms. I can explain the things. We don't like if it is a professional case, then only we can able to search all those things and perform all those things. Okay, perform this all things, and we will discuss about material views by tomorrow. So we'll see about giants now.
Okay.
Okay, we completed the views. This is very important topic. Okay, we have another view like a inline view. Inline view. Okay, so I will show you what is the meaning of a inline view and where we will help you. So select star from EMP. So what you are mentioning here in the from class, you are passing the directly as a table name. Instead of table name, select the number ename from EMP. EMP and DEPT number. DEPT data, DEPT. Okay. Now see, this is the query I am going to execute. So inside the bracket query I am executing here. So this is my query. So now I am going to pass this query to the from class. Now the from class query will work like as a table. It will work like as a temporary table. It will work like as a inline table.
Okay.
This is called inline view. In which place you are going to use these all things? If you want to perform any calculations here, you cannot use the directly for this. So if I want to perform like any calculations here, select case when a DEPT number equal to 10. If you want to perform any conditions and calculations here, got it? And on top of this query, if you want to filter anything, then you will use the inline. Got it? So no. For all the cases, we won't go. We'll perform like a DEPT number equal to 20, then 200 when DEPT number equal to 100, then I'll divide it by 100. Need to divide it by like a bonus. I am calculating the bonus here. Okay, I am calculating for the only 2 departments. So in this case, is DEPT number. What happened? bonus and DPT number from this. Now,
From
ID saying
from 2 times.
column ambiguously defined. So DPT number from which table I need to take, you haven't mentioned anything about this. So for that reason, system getting ambiguously defined. Column ambiguously defined in the sense there is a common column from the from class tables. Please
From
try to
table.
mention from which table I need to take the which column. That these are all the detailed information need to mention. What the error we are getting, man? Which place? DPT number, not a DPT. Okay, see. Now, if we want to filter this, we want to use the bonus. VO invoice bonus equal to 200. If you want to filter the data like this, if you want to filter the data like this. We will use the inline views. Got it?
Okay, got
So
it.
if you want to perform any calculations on the select queries, on top of these results, if you want to filter anything, we'll use the that. Okay. Okay. We'll start from here and we will start the
Join.
joins. Okay. We will see if people having that EMP table other than the EMP DPT. Okay, 1 minute. From what we have Sal, great. If someone joined, please allow me. Okay, Sal grade. Now we are going to work with the 3 tables here. EMP. DPT. Okay, now we have the 3 tables. Now I'm going to explain the things using these 3 tables. Kindly practice with our tables, inventory tables we have, right? Use all those tables and try to practice with that.